Good morning, everyone. Let me show you my daily routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I get out of bed and make my bed neatly. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next, I take a nice warm shower. Then I get dressed. I comb my hair. After that, I go to the kitchen. I eat a healthy breakfast and drink a cup of hot coffee. While eating, I read the newspaper and check my phone. Delicious. After breakfast, I exercise for 20 minutes. Next, I go for a pleasant morning walk. When I come back home, I water my plants. Then I start cleaning the house. And after that, I do the laundry. At midday, I cook lunch. After cooking, I eat my lunch. And then wash the dishes. After lunch, sometimes I take a short nap. And then read a book. In the evening, I prepare dinner. After that, I eat dinner. After dinner, I come to my balcony. I sit here with my coffee, relax, and enjoy the beautiful view. This is my favorite time to relax. The sky looks so peaceful. Then I watch the news. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again. Finally, I go to sleep. Good night, everyone. This is my simple daily routine. What about your daily routine? Comment below.